Eyes before entry, tennis ball sized, ruggedized, compact, designed for rapid deployment into high-risk environments. 4K wide field of view camera, thermal imaging lens, night vision and low light lens, laser assist, hidden status LED, tough rubber outer shell, impact absorbent non-slip texture, sealed USB-C charging and data port, magnetic charging contacts, hidden Q20 mount, gyro stabilized gimbal, internal tech, 4K image sensor, thermal sensor, night vision sensor, processor with Edge AI, battery up to 2 hours, encrypted 2.4 and 5 GHz wireless module, SD card storage up to 256 GB, 3-axis gyro gimbal, mounting options designed for drone drop deployment, magnetic base, soft claw grip, shock-absorbing ring mount, direct drop, retractable claw grip, wide FOV, thermal imaging, night vision, laser assist, 4x zoom, motion detection, built to endure, built to perform, built for those who go first. Deploy from altitude. The drone descends, releases the CHERUB, and holds position as signal relay. On the ground, it rolls, remote guided through corridors, around corners, into spaces too dangerous for personnel. Silent, invisible, feeding live intelligence back to the operator in real time.